Welcome to the EdTech Tutor channel, how-to demonstrations and tutorials for technology tools in K-12 and higher education. Be sure to like and subscribe this channel and comment below. Okay, the EdPuzzle homepage for creating video lessons. So we have the homepage, we have what's trending. We can scroll and find what's already there, or we can search our content. So if we search for chemistry, we can use the EdPuzzle community, or we can create a YouTube link. So we use EdPuzzle. So again, we have the time, how long is it? 5 minutes. How many questions are built in? Check the box to assign it. We can edit it, copy it. Okay. So let's click this one. Oop. So now we have copy all selected, so we have 2 checked. So we'll just copy it. It was copied to my content. So go my content. Okay. Check the box. Edit. So in here I can edit this. I can scrub it. Before. Yes, cut the video, or no, don't cut the video. Okay. I click on the question. So these little teardrops are questions. Okay. How many experiments? Okay. I can click edit this question. If I want to change the question. If I want to get rid of this question, delete it. Now it's deleted from the timeline. Okay. So this is laboratory skills in the kitchen. Okay. I can add a voiceover. If I don't like the voiceover, I can change the questions. Continue. Finish. Okay, multiple choice. Share preview. Okay, let's go back to my classes. Or content, sorry. My content. So this is just creating the lesson in here. So again, I can duplicate, unselect, I can delete. So this is in my content folder. So I just did a search at the top for content. If I want to go to curriculum, I can search by elementary school, middle school, high school, view content, ELA, literature. Okay. Drill down until I find what I want. Check the box. Edit, copy, or unselect. So again, copy, copies it to your content. Check the box to do any actions to it, assign, edit, or move. Edit. Okay. You can click teardrops, change the question, cut a video. You can add notes. My classes. So in Physics 101 and Math 101, I had to have lessons assigned. In the content section, I don't have these assigned. This is in a different lesson. This is the EdTech Tutor channel. Thank you for watching this episode. Be sure to like and subscribe and return back for more episodes coming soon.